Good afternoon, everyone. In this video, I want to show my ideas about the data view system design part. And as you already know that for this specific workflow, and you can run the workflow on the cloud and locally. And but right now the system doesn't have a master node, which means that the master node cannot connect to the virtual machine in the Amazon EC2. And right now, I want to use the local machine to as a master machine, and this local machine can be interact with the every virtual machine in the cloud part. And as you can see here, I have used some output of the workflow. So here is the workflow component and their corresponding ID, and this is the topological order of this workflow. And we can see that the file is the task file, and it's so the task name should be Dropbox Reader, and then we can, based on any schedule method, to have this mapping method, which means that this specific can be mapped into one specific virtual machine. So here we have three available virtual machines, and we can see that the Dropbox Reader is mapping to virtual machine 1, and Dropbox and one map task is mapping to virtual machine 3. Then we can have I want to have a message sender to the server part and the message receiver from the server part, which means that at first we can just submit the Dropbox Reader to virtual machine 1, and we can execute this task. And after this task is finished, then we can let the master node know that this specific task is already finished. Then we can continue to use the local machine to run the children of the Dropbox Reader, which is the split. And we can see here the split is also mapped to virtual machine 1, and then in this way, and we can just have a editor which is that each task's status in the local part. Then we can know if the specific workflow is not run correctly, and we can have a clear idea that which task is not run correctly. And this is status array can be used to record the status of each task. Then also in the future, and after I finish this part and make it working, and we can just send the message correctly, and then we can integrate this part into the GDX. So because last time Said mentioned that the message can be sent with the crappy order, and so this is my idea of this task. And in this way, I need more time to finish this task, because I need to change a lot of code on the cloud version part, and also the whole executing structure is totally different from right now. But I think it's very useful to make our workflow more robust and more reliable and more scalable. So yeah, that's my whole idea. And thank you for watching, and thank you for listening. If you have any comments, and we can talk later.